Imagine a world where the future of agriculture is not driven by the sweat and toil of hard-working farmers, but by the invisible powers of artificial intelligence and drones. What if these technological advancements could revolutionize the way we farm, yielding better results with less human effort? Consider, for example, a case study from the rolling farmlands of Iowa, USA. Here, a group of farmers has embraced the future, integrating AI and drones into their daily practices. Through the use of AI, they've been able to analyze vast amounts of data, helping them understand the intricacies of their land, the needs of their crops, and the patterns of their livestock. This has led to increased process efficiency and a significant reduction in negative environmental impacts. It's an agricultural revolution driven by bytes, not brawn. These farmers have also incorporated drones into their toolkits. Equipped with advanced machine vision, these drones fly over vast fields, scanning crops and soil with precision. They provide real-time surveillance, detecting pests and diagnosing soil faults long before the human eye can see them. This early detection system allows farmers to intervene quickly and effectively, preventing crop damage and maintaining soil health. But what if we could take this one step further? What if AI and machine learning could be integrated into these drones, making them smarter and more adaptable? This is not the stuff of science fiction, but the very near future of agriculture. In this future, drones won't just react to commands, but they'll learn from every flight and every scan, adapting their strategies to provide the most beneficial results. They'll understand when to fly and where, which crops need their attention, and how to best protect our precious agricultural resources. It's a future where the drones themselves become the farmers, overseers of our fields and guardians of our food supply. So, to summarize, the future of agriculture lies in the integration of AI and drones. AI's ability to analyze and understand vast amounts of data will improve process efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Drones, equipped with machine vision, will provide real-time surveillance, detecting pests and diagnosing soil faults. And the integration of AI and machine learning into these drones will make them smarter and more adaptable, revolutionizing farming methods and opening new horizons for agricultural applications. This is not just a possibility, but a reality unfolding before our eyes, a future where technology and agriculture intertwine to create a world of efficient, sustainable farming. A world where the hard work of our farmers is supported and amplified by the incredible power of AI and drones. This is the future of agriculture, and it's closer than you think.